and they're gonna play with this for the next half hour.
You turn that. Whoa! Santa! Oh, look, Sir Top in the hat is Santa Claus.
Wow.
You turn that.
And that turns it on. What about this, John? What does this one do? Does this turn on? No? Oh, that doesn't turn on. That doesn't have a light.
Mom, does this turn on?
Yeah, you can put that anywhere you want around the track.
Mom, does this turn on?
It turns, yeah. When you watch past, it turns it on.
I'm trying to get faces. That's.
Look at John and say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, are you excited? Should we start opening some presents?
John, you really wanted that.
You did. You excited?
I was excited. I wanted this for Christmas.
You wanted it.
John,
Oh, he knows exactly what it is.
remember you saw
We should have put it together.
Yeah.
Remember you saw it on TV and you asked Mom to buy it?
Well,
But
John,
Mom
do you know?
can't buy it now because Santa got you it.
John, do you know who bought it for you?
What?
Daddy Kike. You say thanks, Daddy Kike.
Thanks, Daddy Kike.
And that big present with the Christmas balls, Daddy Kike sent you that from Spain too. For you.
Ah. What's this? Look,
That's gonna be your first present
Mom,
you
look,
open.
I get some. Yeah.
It's actually the smallest present you can find, John.
Mom, look, I get some Barbie a Fashion Fairy Tale ones, and I got Christmas decoration one, and I get Princess. Oh, I got batteries.
I
Wow.
wonder what they go to.
They go to.
What about the box that they were on? Try to the box
That
they were
was
on.
gonna be the boring present.
Yeah, he opened batteries first.
That was the boring present.
Yeah. John, you have to open them, honey.
Open the box, John. The other box that's wrapped. That's what Mom was talking about.
Here.
Show him, Mom.
John.
Put these in the cabinet where the bag.
These go in a toy. Open that box. No. The box that this was taped to. This box. The box that it was taped to, buddy.
The Thomas one.
Wait, what is that?
Hey, Mom! That wrapping paper looks like his. The wrapping paper that he. That's the same wrapping paper
Yeah, that's your same wrapping paper. I told Santa Claus you liked it. And Santa Claus said, I want to use the wrapping paper he likes.
Mommy. Mommy.
What?
I love you. And look,
What
I
is-
got some princess ones. And I got a Barbie a Fashion Fairy one.
You have a lot of
And
presents.
I got decorations from the Christmas tree. And I got a Santa Claus. And I got Dora Christmas one.
Show Dad. He's got a video camera. Show Dad what
Look,
you
I got
got.
Dora Christmas one.
Did you? It's Feliz Navidad.
I know when I looked that on and I saw that on TV and I
Show
wanted.
Dad. Show Dad in the camera. Dad's making a video. Show Dad what you got, John.
Ah!
A Hedgehog.
Yeah.
Wow.
Christmas.
Oh, man. Is it?
Yeah.
Toy truck and race car. Wow. That is cool. That's what the batteries are for, John.
Yeah. Johnny, this is Dad. John. Dad. Pull that down and then
Yes,
put it in
baby.
the weirdest thing ever. Santa didn't wrap this.
He didn't. Oops. But the Thomas trains came popping out.
You need 2 batteries.
And
Ma-
here, look, you got 2 batteries. Santa's always thinking.
Oh yeah, that's why he got John that.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, and because this needs this present needs
That's
battery.
It
All the
does.
same presents are yours. All right. Show the camera.
Oh, and the ball is purple.
Hey, John, okay, but let Alina open hers first, okay?
Ooh.
Happy.
Something for my dollhouse. A kitchen.
Show the camera.
Isn't that nice?
That's really
Boy,
neat.
it was so heavy. This was the heaviest present ever.
Is it a heavy present? That's not who I think it is. More Thomas!
Mommy, look, and the table can go up or down.
Yes!
Oh.
That's great.
This has a bridge. Daddy,
That is a
if you
great.
want to open the presents, they're right there. And this
Oh,
Why don't you bring him one? Why don't
okay.
you
Thank you,
okay.
honey.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry
Babe.
Christmas.
Merry
Merry
Christmas to
Christmas.
all. Thank you, babe.
Open it.
Open it.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, Dad.